Idea with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware called BaN. This is the ransomware that is able to damage the files. Before the ransomware's attack, users are able to open their data without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this BaN ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files, and then it is just impossible to use the data anymore. All the files get damaged and encrypted by this BaN, or simply BaN ransomware. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom, of course, is not a good idea, because this does not guarantee the file restoration. And if you pay the ransom, you will most likely waste your funds without getting the data restored. So do not pay the ransom. Do not waste your money. Very soon you will see the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack. So the ransomware encrypts the data and appends a special extension to the file names, so it is impossible to use the data. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note, as I said. And this is the BaN extension. When you try to open this specific file, you get this message popping up, which contains the ransom note, as I said. Now, I recommend you to urgently scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus to remove this ransomware. My recommendation is that you scan your computer with Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. By the way, to download Combo Cleaner, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available. You need to click on this Start Scan button. The software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection of any malware. So don't skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated by Combo Cleaner, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Of course, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the system. Some threats can be removed manually. Some threats require premium license. By the way, you can upgrade to premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner at any time. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data. Even though Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. But Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect this ransomware. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.